this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. In today's video, we will be making this gentle and nourishing face wash. This face wash contains very mild surfactants that are great for sensitive skin. It also has many anti-inflammatory properties such as allantoin, panthenol, oat extract, aloe vera solution, and ColloidalOats. Its moisturizing properties come from, again, our aloe vera solution and a very high percentage of vegetable glycerin. This face wash contains over 14% vegetable glycerin. I have made this face wash several times, so I figured why not video it because I'm so in love with it. I use it every single night. I find that it does very well on your second cleansing or as a first cleanser if you're not wearing any makeup. So come on, let's go make it. I will be using a 250 milliliter beaker for my water face. 50.5 grams of vegetable glycerin. 1 gram of xanthum gum clear. And I'm putting that on my vegetable glycerin. You want to incorporate the xanthum gum with the vegetable glycerin. I have to say I've never made such a big batch before, so it's a little weird for me to be working with such large amounts. 24 grams of distilled water. .48 grams of lavender hydrosol. 1.72 grams of allantoin. You want to incorporate it. It's not going to dissolve until you heat it up. Okay, so we put our water face aside, which is face A. So 13.7 grams of distilled water. .4 grams of ColloidalOats. Okay, so you want to make sure you dissolve the oats in the water. Okay, so now we have our phase A, and we're going to combine our phase B. Now that the oats have been dissolved. I'm going to be using a 250 milliliter beaker for my surfactant face. 72 grams of aloe vera solution. 27 grams of foaming oats. 13 grams of Capryl Blucoside. 10 grams of cocoa betaine. So we're going to go ahead and stir it. For my oil face, I will be using a 1000 milliliter beaker because this is where I will be adding my water face and combine everything together. 10.3 grams of emulsifying wax MF. 13.7 grams of cetearyl alcohol. 6.8 grams of sunflower oil. .4 grams of aloe vera solution. 6.8 grams of DL Panthenol. .4 grams of oat extract. 1.7 of liquid Germal Plus, which is our preservative. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh my water the right volume to make sure I can replenish any water lost. Okay, and I will cover my beakers with foil paper and go put them in a warm water bath at 156 for 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. I've heated up my water and my oils and replenished the water lost. I'm pouring in so I'm going to go ahead and blend. While it's still warm, I'm going to be adding my surfactant phase. Now I usually make this with my overhead mixer because it's a lot easier, but for the purpose of the video I'm using a hand mixer. If you can get your hands on an overhead mixer, I definitely recommend it. It's life-changing. I'm going to go ahead and leave this to cool to room temperature so we can add our cool down phase. So I'll be right back. So I'm going to blend it one more time. It has been about, I want to say, an hour and a half. Here I have my aloe with the DL Panthenol. Incorporate that in. Oh, and oat extract as well in there. Forgot to mention that. Okay, and here I'm going to add my liquid Germal Plus. Take this guy out for a minute. Try a little bit more. So we are going to blend it one last time. So now we want to check the pH. pH is very important on all the face products. So what we want to do is add 1 gram of our facial solution and then 9 grams of distilled water. So we mix it in. I'm going to grab my pH meter and rinse it into some distilled water. Turn it on. And we are at 5.4, which is perfect. Rinse it again. Now you just want to dry just the outside. You don't want to dry the inside. And this is just a very economical pH meter. I did buy a nicer one. I just haven't calibrated it yet, but this one works very well. Okay, and to package it, I will be using a 4-ounce plastic bottle and a 8-ounce plastic bottle. The 8 ounces from you because I use it all the time. And with a pump top. And I'm trying not to use sulfato, but I think maybe I should use sulfato. And there you have it. We just made some beautiful lavender oat facial cleanser. Thank you for watching. See you next time.